Hey everyone, welcome back. Casey with CX Mods. Today we're going to be working on a Corolla Cross. We're going to be upgrading the trunk light bulb, the license plate lights, and the reverse lights. As you can see, the halogen bulb and the trunk light is kind of an orange, unappealing color. So we're going to upgrade them to a wider, brighter LED that we offer. So let's get started on the trunk light bulb. For the trunk light, you're going to want to get a really small flat head of some sort and wedge it in the front side. There we go. And then there's a plate on the back. And if your light has been on like mine for a while, you're going to want to grab a glove so you don't burn your fingertips pulling that out. Got that out. Got the LED in. And you'll angle it in, pop it in, now you're done. Now we'll move on to the reverse bulb. For this, you just need a flat head to pull that panel out. And then the reverse bulb's going to be right there. Pull the bulb out. Put the LED in. You're all set. For the license plate bulb, Toyota shows that you can pry it here and then pull that lens out. I've tried that method and I can never really get this lens out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and remove the paneling so that I can pull it out a lot easier. I'll show you. To get to the back side of the license plate lights, I'm going to pull the paneling off. There's a top one here and then two sides and then this big one. It seems like a lot more work to do it, but it'll save you a headache, so I would suggest doing it this way unless you have better luck. But oh, be careful with that. So we got that off. I'll show you what to do next. Now that the panel on the back side is removed, you'll be able to reach your arm around and then grab the bracket that holds the license plate light in. And now you'll be able to at least get this lens off. And grab your LED and remove the factory one. Your replacement in, and then what I found easiest to put that back in, then you'll be able to get this in a little easier. For whatever reason, trying to get the lens out just doesn't work the way they intended, but give that a shot. And then now we'll compare the reverse light and then the license plate light to the OEM. I went ahead and replaced the other license plate light and the reverse light, so we'll just put the paneling back on. And that's all it takes for the install. I wish I didn't have to take the paneling off the backside of the liftgate to get the license plate lights out, but it really didn't add that much time for me. You could try popping the lens out like they recommend, but I just found it easiest to go about it the way I did. But overall, I'm really happy with the upgrade. They're obviously a lot brighter. The color temperature looks so much better. But if you guys have any questions or anything, please feel free to email us at sales@cxmods.com or find us on social media and message us there. Otherwise, we'll see you on our next video. Thanks again. Overall, I'm really happy with them. They're obviously very brighter, very brighter. Honestly, you could try prying the lens. Yeah.